for some reason your 1688 account got restricted. You have tried every possible way to lift restriction, but every effort proven unsuccessful. And in this video, I will tell you the reason why you are unable to lift restriction and what you have to do right now to save this particular situation of your 1688 account Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, Alibaba or AliExpress, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to exit from my 1688 app right here and use a particular example for a better understanding. So I'm going to exit from here now. And recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp about this particular situation. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here. So having opened up my WhatsApp right here, I'm going to go ahead and select the contact that reached out to me about this particular issue of account restricted on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So this particular person reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here about this account restricted issue. You can see the message right here. Good morning, boss. Please, my 1688 account has been restricted. I have followed your instruction to solve it, but still the same. Can you please help me? This was the question right here. And this was the status of the account. So if your account is at this stage, or at the stage of rename verification, or you are at this stage, consider to pay attention to this video and see the real reason why you are unable to lift restriction and what exactly you need to do right now. So I'm going to go back to our chat right here, and this was my response right here. Now what this person did here is that they are trying as much as possible to lift the restriction, and it was unsuccessful. And I will tell you why this was not successful. One of the reasons why things like this about account restriction not successful on 1688 was as a result of the way and manner you create the account in the first place. Let me quickly show you one thing here. Take a look at this, my question right here. How did you create the account in the first place? It said at first I used my Google account and it got restricted, and later I used my Alipay even though it is not verified. Now this is where the problem starts. Quite a lot number of people are not really aware of how this 1688 works. Okay, now if you try to create an account on 1688, it is always advisable that you use Alipay for safety and secure. The reason why Alipay does not work in favor of this person here is that they will already create an account on 1688 with Google account, which is very, very wrong. The terms of using Alipay, the term of using 1688 does not support you create a dual account on a single device. And this is where the problem starts. I say you create the two accounts on the same device. Yes, after the first one could not work. And you can see my response right here. Okay, this is my response to this particular issue. Okay, and say thank you so much and God bless you. Now, the only recommendation you can do now if you find yourself in this category is that you just have to make sure you abandon the phone you are using right now to fix the problem of account restricted. Just need to make sure you set up a new Alipay account with a new phone number, new device, and at the same time download a new 1688 account. Once you get to the login page, make sure you log in with Alipay account. On the new phone that you have your Alipay account and 1688 account all in together. With that, the problem is going to solve, and you can start continuing to use your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. And if you still have issue with your 1688 account or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video, or better still, you can put your question in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation business like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.